Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Oil prices edged lower after a smaller than expected draw in US crude stockpiles, and as concerns over Chinese demand persisted, though losses were capped by supply risks in the Middle East and Libya. The market value of Berkshire Hathaway surpassed $1 trillion, reflecting investor confidence in the conglomerate that Warren Buffett built over nearly 6 decades into what many consider a proxy for the American economy. Bitcoin holdings of publicity-listed companies have increased by almost 200% in a year, from $7.2 billion to $20 billion. Bitbo data shows that 42 publicly listed companies hold 335,249 Bitcoin, worth roughly $20 billion.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product index at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 9 GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.